Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today we are here with a new video. In this video, we will discuss about Python functional programming, from chapter 6. Let's get started. Functional programming is a programming paradigm that treats computation as the evaluation of mathematical functions and avoids changing state and mutable data. In functional programming, functions are first-class citizens, meaning they can be passed around like any other value. Python supports functional programming features, although it is not purely a functional programming language. But it does have a number of built-in features that support functional programming. Let's know about function declaration. The def keyword must be used at the beginning of writing a function in Python. And then write the name of the function and parentheses and use the colon symbol at the end. And let's see the expression. This is the define key, and this is the function name, and this is the argument, and this is the return key which was return the value. Let's see the whole thing practically. I want to say one thing here. Now we importing the message box because here we using message box instead of print function. Now we creating an addition function, which was return some value of any two number. Now we call the function through function name. Let's see here, these a and b are argument, and here we pass the argument value. Let's execute it. Alright, as you can see here we got 14 as output from addition function. Now we will something know about argument function. Arguments, when calling a function, the data required for the function execution is called arguments. There are 4 types of arguments used in Python. Default arguments, recorded or positional arguments, keyword arguments, variable length arguments. Now we will discuss about default arguments. Now see here, first argument is dynamic, and second argument is static, which is default. Let's execute it. Now we will discuss about recorded or positional arguments. See here, here we passed two positional arguments. This is the first argument value, and this is the second argument value. Alright, now we will discuss about keyword arguments. See here, this is the first keyword argument, which was contain a value. And this is a second keyword argument as same before. Now we will discuss about higher order functions. Let's see here, we create a two subfunction. This is the second subfunction, which was operate multiplication. And this is the first subfunction, which was operate addition. This is main function, which was called apply operation, here we call subfunction. Now here we using message box to call main function to display output. Now see here, first we call the main function, after that we call subfunction, and after that we pass the three argument value. Let's see the output. Alright, now we call both function at one message box. As you can see here, we got our output. Now we will discuss about variable length arguments. This asterisk converts the argument into variable length argument. Sometime we don't know how many arguments will pass inside the function, which means something that hasn't been fixed before. In this case, asterisk is used to pass unknown arguments. See here, we pass 5 names. Now we will see another example. Similarly, we can define arguments and variables as length. Then double asterisk should be used instead of single. See here, we use dictionary comprehension. If you want to know about dictionary comprehension, then watch this video. The video link we will put in the description box below, and above the I button, click to watch it. Now last, we learn about combination of argument and keyword. First we make a blank list. Now we get data from args. Here we passed args values. And now here we get key and value form key args. Here we passed the key args values. Here we catch the value. And now that catched value insert into list. And here we call the function. As you can see here, our output is showed 3 times. Thanks for watching the video. Friends, our video for today was up to this. Please forgive me if there are any errors in the video, because it is often overlooked. See you in the next video. Stay with us by subscribing the channel. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you.